Hello, we're Justin and Peter. This is our ECE 353 final project, Checkers. As you can see, once the game begins, the checkerboard is printed out on both people's screens, the red and the black pieces. You might also notice these red LEDs over here. These tell you how many pieces you have remaining in binary.
That's 12 pieces on the checkerboard, so it's 12 in binary.
Alright, Peter, let's show off a few moves.
Alright, so to control it, use the PS2 joystick to move the cursor around. Use the right button to select a piece, and then you can see that the possible moves that you have light up. If you selected the wrong piece, use the bottom button over here to deselect that piece. And once you found a good move, you press the top button in order to make your move.
And as you can see, his move was then reflected on my board over here. Alright, now I'll make my moves, the black pieces.
Alright, and one of the rules you might not know about checkers is that you have to take a jump move if you can. So if you'll notice, when I try to select this piece right here, it doesn't have any possible moves. That's because this piece right here can jump, so I have to take that move. Alright, that's enough checkers. I guess we can show off some more hardware. So you can use the touch screen to move the cursor around instead of the joystick.
And once you press the switch 2 over here, let me show off our display up here. And I'm pressing it now. As you can see, it showed up with our names and our team number there. Alright, when we press the switch 1 button, it'll display some information on the display here. It'll actually display the number of wins and losses of the current board that you're using.
You can see it between the packets received and sent. That is displayed every 5 seconds, of course.
Alright, and then one other thing we can show off too is the watchdog timer.
Which, after not receiving any wireless signals from the other board, will reset the board. So if I turn off one board, after a few seconds this board should clear its screen and reset.
You'll see it clear the display and then redraw the board. That's an indication that the watchdog timer has expired. Just like that. And that's our project.